Right now, the sentiment score for fashion is at an impressive plus 0.85, which is significantly higher than our historical baseline. This spike indicates a strong positive sentiment that you might want to capitalize on. With a momentum of plus 0.00, it suggests that while the sentiment is currently high, it's holding steady, ideal for a strategic entry point. Our API returns structured data detailing sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, helping you make informed decisions. For instance, you could use this data to tailor marketing campaigns around trending fashion topics, ensuring your messages resonate with consumer sentiment. Stay ahead of the curve and enhance your applications with our Fashion Sentiment API. Get started at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.